卵大好き。生卵大好き。
大丈夫？
大丈夫です。
Inside.
Inside. Okay. She's asking me if I wanted the raw egg with it, and living in Japan for over 20 years, I love raw egg. Raw egg is awesome. And I know it may scare some of you, but if you ever get to Japan, give it a try. This totally bizarre looking dish can be found in the heart of Gion. It's actually quite delicious. If you know what Gion is one of the most famous places, especially for tourists to visit. Check this out. I am super excited to try this, guys, because, you know, despite living in Kyoto for all this time, I used to walk by this place all the time, but before COVID-19, it was packed. There's a line out the door every single day. So I'm like, I'm sorry, I didn't want to wait hours, or sometimes it was a 30-minute hour wait just to get this place. Now, with COVID, I'm able to actually try this for the first time without waiting, and I'm stoked. I'm seriously stoked. Isen Yoshoku. This is the name of this place. This place is super famous. I've been hearing about it all over the internet, and we walked by here yesterday, and I just had to come over and try it and shoot a video. I didn't try it yesterday, so I'm gonna get one. And if you like vegetarian, they even have vegetarian. So, which one? Each one Nikki wa desu ka?
Only one dish.
Oh, so ka. Only one.
Only one dish.
Yeah. Okay, so they only have one style, but you can make it vegetarian, but they take away stuff off of it, I guess, right? Nukun desu yo ne. ベジタリアンにするのは。
ベジタリアンにするのはできます。Without OK です。
なるほど。So yeah, I understand now. I didn't understand this before. They have only one type, but you can actually get rid of some of the stuff that's meat and make it vegetarian if you want to. Okay, お願いします。
はい。All together.
All together, okay. 僕はベジタリアンじゃないです。卵大好き。生卵大好き。
大丈夫？
大丈夫です。
Inside.
Okay. She's asking me if I wanted the raw egg with it, and lived in Japan for over 20 years. I love raw egg. Raw egg is awesome. And I know it may scare some of you, but if you ever get to Japan, give it a try. They raise the eggs in very clean farms here in Japan. So in general, it's nothing for you to worry about. It's kind of weird to me, to be honest with you, that they call this okonomiyaki, because okonomiyaki is normally like a round pancake, right? And inside you have this all sorts of stuff in there, like meat and cabbage and all sorts of, konnyaku and all sorts of stuff in Japan. This is a little bit different, guys, but this is actually extremely popular, so you should check this out. Here is what's inside. They got green onion, they got eggs, they got sakura shrimp, bonito, which is like a cut up fish, red ginger, Japanese wagyu. So they actually serve very high quality beef. If you're not familiar with Japanese wagyu, it's truly amazing. Seasoned konnyaku, guys. A lot of foreigners don't think konjac has a lot of taste, but if you actually try the way Japanese prepare it, konnac's awesome. Although the first time I tried it, I actually didn't think it was very good. I didn't think it was bad either. It didn't have a taste. But as I lived in Japan and my taste buds changed, I really love konnyaku. They have fish paste, tempura, flour, Worcestershire sauce, and seaweed. And guys, you can even have it. They'll take some away the meat on there, and you can have it vegetarian. I just devoured it, and I made a little mess here on the table. This is Chris from Beers in Japan. If you are liking this content, if you're enjoying this channel, you're getting having a lot of fun watching this, because it's just fun. I'm having tons of fun creating it. Subscribe to this channel. I'm going to keep showing you guys what life is truly like in Japan. This is not just about food. There's tons of stuff we're going to talk about. Cheers. We'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe. Cheers, my friends. Cheers with water.